So now I'll just go on to run an advert so that you can see how to do so. So I'll create an ad advertisement, the default promotional plan. If you need to select, let's say, the advert to run for a specific period of time, you can select on this part. And if you don't need it to have any specific time, you can just click on unlimited. So it will run continuously up until you change or remove the content. You can select the time zone. So in our case, our time zone is already selected as UTC +8. But depending on your region, you can select the specific one that matches to your region. Then also for advertisement, so if it's just a normal advertisement, you select a normal advertisement. If it's an emergency advertisement that you need to be on top of everything else, you can select on this option. The playback time is selected, it's unlimited, same as this option. And also the play interval, it's not limited, so it's just any specific time that we set it. On step 2, so if you have, let's say, a specific device that you need to post to, you can just select on device and then select the specific device. If it's like a device group, you can select the device group and then select the group that you need to post the same content to. Or if there's a specific tag that's there, you can select the tag and then post to that specific tagged devices. So in our case, we'll just use the device, and then we'll select our device, and the device that we're using is in vertical mode. So we'll select this option, which is bound to that device. So for this device, it has 2 screens. So if I need, let's say, if I need to run different content on either side of the screen, I can select screen 1, select the material that I need, and then on screen 2, select the material that I need, and then submit. So in our case, we'll just do for screen 1 that we're able to see, which is this ratio. Then select on upload the content. So for uploading content, let's say if it's already in your media library, you can just go on to the specific part, select that specific content, and then post. But in the case, let's say it's on your PC, external drive, USB, you then click on add material of videos and also some pictures, so that they are already into the library. So the information will just show as it's uploading. So if your content is needs to be like in the specific resolution that you require it to be. So now everything has been uploaded successfully, and then I go back to my media library. Then I'll just deselect everything. I'll select, let's say, a couple of, let me say, 1 video, and let's say also a picture and another picture, and then show. So I've selected 3 items, and I can select the playback time to be specific to what I need. I can increase or decrease. If I need to change the name of this, I can change the name to a specific name that I require. And then I click on submit. So now I've submitted the devices. It's on pending the audit. So now I need to audit before they can be posted to the display. As you can see, the status here, it's indicating as pending. I can select the device that I need and just audit approve, and then it will approve. So let's say if I need to just batch approve all of them, I'll batch approve all of them at once, and the content will start uploading to the device immediately. So the first advert that I posted is already showing on the display. So the other content will also start running as well. So as you can see, it's already running. So if I go on saving, all 3 are running, as you can see. So these videos will continuously play in a loop, which I already approved. And up until I stop or pause them, that's when they would be stopped, so that something else can be played on the device. So as you can see, it will just continuously play in a loop. I can select to pause, let's say the middle one. So now I've paused it, which is the top one. So it won't be able to show now. Only 2 adverts would be showing on my device. So these first 2 are the ones that will be showing on the device as I remove the other one. I can always come back and, let's say, resume it. So I can just go to the post ones and select the one that I want to enable, and then enable it. So it will join in the loop and start playing as well. So you'll come back. So now it's just pending to be played. So now it's being played. So it's back again onto the being played list. I can pause this too. So we'll just have one video playing now. So now on post, you'll see that 2 videos have been paused, and the only video that's playing is the current one. Again, if I need to resume them, they just enable. So now you'll go on to be played. You'll see that they are pending. Once it starts playing, it will get out from this tab, and then it will be on the 7th tab so that you can see all of it. You can go back to the home screen. So if you have a specific layout that you need to design, you can go on add custom layout if it's not there. So now on this part, you can customize it according to how your device or display is set up. So let's say if it's a vertical display, you can set it up in this mode. If it's a horizontal display, you can change the layout. So I can say custom 1 as the layout name. So for this part, my display is 1080 by 1920. I'll just zoom in a bit so that you can see the full layout. So to add the advertising space, I can drag and drop. So if I need it to be a full page, I can just select full page like this. Or if I need it to be like a specific way, let's say maybe half point, and the second layout will be maybe the full page, I can do so. So this would be the design that I'll create. And then if I need to add, let's say, weather information, I can drag the weather information so that it can show maybe at the bottom part of the display. And I can select the type of content that I need to show for the weather. So let's say city name, temperature, wind direction, and weather. So I can deselect this to select just specific. If I need the clock to also show, I can select the clock to show also on top there. Or you can select a specific area where you need, and you can select these other options to hide or show these other parts. So once this is set up, you can then select to save. So let's say if you want to add more pages, I can still add more pages, and then the pages will be shown here. I can add more designs. So let's say if this I want it to be a full page, Then the second one, I need it to be maybe like half of the page, and also the other half of the page. So it's easy to create a specific design that you might need. So I'll just delete page 4 so that we only have 3 pages. So the pages are already saved. If maybe there's a link that I need to put on this part, I can show that it's like on the page and it's showing, and I can put the website name. So I can put the website name if there's any specific website name. You can also, let's say, if there's some emergency that you need to do or post, you can go on like a limited time, or okay, let's select maybe a specific time. So select device. So the advert, maybe I need it to be an emergency, and I need it to be text. So if there's a custom space, you can customize this. So I just need it to be the custom. Submit it for review, and then select the audit to approve it. So on the display it will show. So if you have a specific device or layout that you need, you can customize it according to how you need, and then have this information shown on the display.